It is July 8th, 2016. The Americans have left and they're heading south, back to the United States of America.
To vote for Trump.
To vote for Trump, let's hope not. I'm sorry, America, but you're a mess right now. Anyway, I'm gonna have a nap. Seriously. Yellow Thunder. Yeah, what are you getting for lunch?
Burrito with veggie. Are you having ketchup too?
You awake, Carter?
Yeah.
You awake, Avery?
Yeah. Did you get around? Those guys are having the baskets of fries when they come.
Yeah. You sure you want to go on the boat? I guess we're going on the boat. Unfortunately, there's lightning outside, and so the boating day is over. Clouds are rolling in, so we're heading back to the city, leaving the lake. I'm still waking up. I did get the nap in.
Oops. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I did.
I did not.
I didn't. It works out well. Rochelle likes to drive, and I like to read and sleep while she drives. It's a good match. Good match.
Yeah, it works for us.
Okay, today, I guess I don't need these anymore. The sun's setting. Today was a pretty average and pretty boring day today. And you may be picking up that on the vlog. Here's the thing, I want to vlog every day of the year now. And so even when I have no footage and it's been a boring day, I got to put something together. So I can see the sun setting a little bit. Kind of a little bit of a sunset happening over there. And so I'll take the drone up. You got anything exciting to say?
Wearing some pretty sweet pajamas.
Those are sweet pajamas. All right, let's get this drone up in the air. Aircraft is warming up. Honking this time of night. Who's honking at this time of night? Oh, check out this sweet ride.
Long time.
Man, you guys have upgraded.
Yeah.
Hey.
We thought we traded the RAV.
All right. Oh yeah. Red leather is fancy.
Yeah.
Look at these guys rolling in class.
Yeah. I'll clarify. We don't own this. I got a job at the BMW dealership and
They pay really well. All right, let's take it for a rip.
okay.
So officially, I've been in this BMW for about 2 minutes, and my official review, awesome. Okay, let's see you guys. Yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, nice seeing you, Rob.
She's so gonna get a speeding ticket. I'm not telling you the code.